Hello everyone, Nello from Maxspeed-Motorsports.com here. Today I'm just making this video to talk about the video line filter that we added to our kits and our website as of today, which is January 11th, 2021. Hasn't been updated yet. We're just waiting for some details with our web guys. However, decided to shoot this video to make it a lot easier for you guys. So basically the filter has a in and out. So basically we need to connect the the in red power cable to the fuse box and the black to the ground. As you can see, the way I installed them is I pretty much zip tie the filter right over here, and as you can see I don't need to make the ground wire longer, and I connect my ground right there on the fuse holder, the bracket, so I make sure I have a good contact. And as far as the power, I tap into the fuse with the included fuse adapter and terminal that we provide you with. If you don't like this ground for whatever reason, you can ground right over here. As you can see, we did include additional black wiring. You will see a black wire on its own. You can use that to extend the ground. And basically on the out, we're only going to use the red cable on the out, and we're going to connect it to the video cable, the red wire going to the video cable. And it's as simple as that. 3 connections and you're done. That's all it is. It's a filter, so it regulates voltage, because sometimes with voltage spikes, the image could be affected in terms of noise. You can have some lines show up and stuff like that. It wasn't a common issue. However, we did have 2 or 3 customers that were experiencing some noise in the image, and after consulting the engineers that put these camera that sell us the camera systems, they suggested that we use a filter, and since we've been using filters, we haven't seen any of that issue come up. So again, very simple, as you can see here. Thank you very much for watching.